How to fix cannot create services failed 1058 error in Windows 11 and Windows 10, and the first workaround is restart the service. Go to Windows search and type services, open services app, and here you will find the option Windows Update. Scroll down and search for Windows Update. Here you should restart the both services, Windows Update as well as its dependents services also. You should start them. So first of all we should start as automatic type Windows Update services, set it as automatic and click on start. Windows Update services is now start and click on apply and OK. Thereafter go to the dependencies option, and under dependency option you will find all dependents on Windows Update. You should also restart them all. And the second workaround is disable the antivirus. Go to a small arrow and choose Windows Security. Click on Firewall and Network Settings. Here you will find all your networks. You should disable it temporarily. Click on Domain Network and turn the toggle button off against Microsoft Defender's firewall. Same on private network and same on domain network. Public all should be turned off. And the third workaround is install the easy anti-cheat system.